Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a fantastic day so far. I hope today has been treating you well. Whatever has happened in your day, I hope that you are good. In today's video I have got a white box. It looks like absolutely nothing at all, but this is a COLOURPOP haul. I haven't ordered from COLOURPOP in about 2 years. I don't think. It's been a while and I really only have a few bits from COLOURPOP like still in my collection. Got a few eyeshadow palettes, a Super Shock shadow, and I think I've got a liquid liner. I don't know, but I decided to get the mystery bundle that they had listed on their website. I can't actually remember how much I paid for this. I think it was $49. I can't remember, but I also got 2 of the new lip liners, so we're going to be getting into those as well, and that's all I got. That was the whole order, because I'm reluctant to order products when I'm also ordering a mystery bundle in case I get those products in the mystery bundle as well. Does that make sense? Either way, I'm going to be getting into this box today. If you like these mystery box unboxing surprise videos, there is a whole playlist. I've got a whole playlist of them. I love a mystery bundle, so let's just get into this one. I will also say whatever is in here I'm not going to be trying on today. Obviously I've already got a full face of makeup on. This look was posted a couple of days ago, so whatever is in here, if there's anything that I'm particularly interested in, reviews will be coming soon. But let's just dive straight on in because there's probably going to be quite a lot of products in here. So, oh, it'll say on here how much I paid for it, won't it? I paid, no, doesn't say. Jolly good. So this was the, I think it was like the flower mystery bundle. I'm sure it had like flower in the name. I can't remember. Honestly, because I'm in the UK, in case you can't tell, hi, I'm from the UK, it takes forever. I feel like I ordered this about 3 weeks ago. So obviously there's like loads of bubble wrap to keep it all protected. So first up on the top, it said that I would be getting these free, like they were giving these free in every order. This isn't to do with the mystery bundle. I remember this. It's the Crystal Face Jewels. I don't know if I've ever worn face jewels. I maybe have done, I can't remember, but these look really pretty. They're like iridescent. They're like every colour. Really pretty. I will put those to one side. I probably will use those. I might do some like festival looks. Who knows? Am I going to a festival? Absolutely not. So let's just start on the top. Everything is in its own little bubble wrap, so we'll have to recycle that properly. We have got the Super Shock Cheek. This is like a, it's got Marielle. I don't know who that is, and I don't think I've ever had. I assume this is a blush. Super Shock Cheek. I'm guessing that this is a blush. Yes. Super Shock Blush Matte, and this is just plain. I don't know who Marielle is or what they are, but that does look very matte and very red. I don't think I've ever used a blush that's straight up red. I wonder how that would look on a very fair skin tone. I'm not sure, but absolutely will give it a go. What I will probably do actually, subscribe and let me know if you want to see this. I'll probably do like a full face of COLOURPOP if I've got a full face here. Hopefully I've got at least close to a full face. So next up is another Marielle product, and this is the Luxe lipstick in Digital Twin. So I really like the like outer packaging of this. It's like purple and blue and metallic, and oh, the inner packaging is all pretty as well. I wonder if it's a game. Marielle, like, you know, Roblox or, you know, something like that. But that colour looks like my perfect nude. Like, that is basically the same as what I've got on my lips currently. Doesn't seem to have any sort of scent to it. Maybe a little bit, maybe a tiny little bit vanilla-y, but like nothing offensive. So now I can see the two lip liners that I got. So this isn't included in the mystery box portion of this. I got these separately. So these are the So Juicy Plumping Lip Liners, and I got Tease and love that. So I'll get into these now because I'm excited about them. I love a lip liner. I really am, like, trying them all out recently. I feel like all of the new lip liner releases are just amazing at the minute. So hopefully, I was trying to guess what shades would be like a nudie sort of colour on me, and these two looked like the best options. Yeah, they're similar to each other. I feel like Love That is a little bit more pink and Tease is a little bit more brown. Let's see. Yeah, they are. I've broken it already. How have I managed that? Like, how have I managed that? Right, I need to, like, focus. Maybe I just twisted that a little bit too far up when I was swatching it. Okay, so these are very, very creamy. And they're both a really nice nude colour. So that's Love That and Tease. Both of them look like a great colour for me. So again, I will be trying those soon as well. Right, so we've got a few products here that all seem to be in the same sort of packaging. Snitchery. I wish I could tell you what literally any of these collabs were. I have no idea. So we've got the Femme Fatale Lippy Kit. I am going to be sorted for lip products, like absolutely sorted. So we've got a lip liner and a lip stick. Is this? Yes, so we've got the Sold My Soul Lippy Pencil. Ooh, that colour is a little bit of me, and that's like a sharpenable pencil. And then the Lethal Lippy Sticks, which again, that colour I absolutely love. A deep berry toned red, so 100% we'll be using those. Oh, so far so good. So far, so good. So then we've got the Snitchery Final Girl Super Shock Shadow Duo. I love the Super Shock Shadows, despite the fact that I can't say them. I love the formula, and these colours look insane. I love that the packaging is like all designed inside as well as outside. Love that. So the colours that we've got here are the Super Shock Shadow Ultra Metallic in Plot Twist, which looks like it might just be like a sort of brown to lilac shift. Can you see that? That looks like a beautiful, beautiful shade. Definitely the sort of one that I would wear just on an everyday sort of basis. And then we've got the Super Shock Shadow Ultra Glitter in Main Character Energy, which is a brighter lilac, but doesn't seem to have... Oh no, that has got a shift, hasn't it? That's like a light blue shift. That's really, really pretty as well. And I love this formula. I have a Super Shock Shadow in like a lilac-y shade, and I use it so, so much. I love. So then we've got the Cheek Dew Serum Blush, which just sounds incredible. I love a glowy like cheek product. Is that what this will be? This is in the shade Bubbles. Ooh. Is that meant to look like that? It's like, can you see where it's all like separated? Ooh. Oh no, I'm not sure that that's meant to look like that, you know? That is not looking fresh. Can you see at the side there where that's all like chunky and separated, like here? I am not sure I will use that on my face because that is looking a little suspicious. So next up, we've got a brush. The E7 little dense eye brush. That feels really nice and soft. So that's just like a tiny brush. I would maybe use that for concealer, you know? It looks like that sort of a shape where you could really like tap in a concealer or like just do a wash of colour across the lid. Not very precise, but really dense. So would work well with creams, I would imagine. Feels nice. I don't have any brushes from ColourPop, so that will be a good test for that one. Then we've got the colour sticks in Coffee Shop. Now you're speaking my language, but what is it? Is it like a lipstick? Colour sticks? What are you? Oh, is this like a cream eyeshadow stick? I love a cream eyeshadow stick. I use these so often. They're just so quick to like scribble on, and that colour looks really nice. You really can't go wrong with like a dark brown. So then we've got the BFF liquid liner. I already have one of these, so I know that this formula is really good. And this is Make Love. Is this going to be a bright yellow liquid liner? I am on board for that. I think it is. So these do need like shaking up. Look at that colour. Is it metallic? I could 100% be on board for a mustardy yellow liquid liner moment. That colour is bright but beautiful, but also quite muted. Bright but also muted. I will absolutely use that. I love that yellowy undertone. Beautiful. So then I think we're on to a few eyeshadow palettes. So we've got 3, and I don't think I have these ones, which is great. So we've got the So Fly Pressed Powder palette. That packaging. ColourPop always gets their packaging right. Like, the packaging is always beautiful. So let's see. Ooh. If you have seen any of my videos, what's my favourite colour? Teal. That looks beautiful. It's like muted and wearable apart from that shade, and then teal. I love that. That middle shade, FYI, looks like a duochrome. Then we've got 4 mattes, 5 shimmers. I really like the look of that. That's 100% just like a very wearable sort of colour story. I feel like a lot of people would find that just really easy to use. It's more on the cool tone side. Like, this is very grey. There are more cooler tones. I like quite a warm sort of a tone, but really, really pretty. Then we've got Just My Look, and again, this packaging, like, come on, so pretty. Okay, and this is in like plastic, where the last one was in like a cardboard. I don't know if you can even tell, but this is a cardboard one and this is plastic. I mean, I don't have a preference either way, but they're just different. Green. Okay. So this one has a mirror. It's got a little protector on it, but look at that shade in the middle. Oh my goodness, that's so bright. That's a really interesting colour story. Those two greens on the bottom both look the same. But again, love green. And I do feel like apart from that one in the middle, that is quite a wearable green sort of colour story, where it's more like muted, like muddy, khaki, olivey sort of a greens, rather than like that one in the centre that's like lime green. I really, really like the look of that, and like pastel as well. That is pretty. Definitely be getting into that one. And then the last one that we've got here, the last product in my mystery bundle, keeping it short and sweet today, is on, I was about to say on Cloud 9, that's not even the name of it, on Cloud Blue. And this is another plastic palette. Ooh, the glitters in here, like look at that one in the middle. That's like the chunkiest, most beautiful blue. And apart from this one, that is like pastel. And then you've got that darker one to like deepen something up. This on the top row, Blue Taffy, is like a white to blue duochrome. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes, 3 shimmers, and then that chunky glitter in the middle. I love the look of that as well. Oh my goodness. So that is everything that I got in my mystery bundle, plus those 2 lip liners. So if there's anything here that you like specifically want to see reviewed, do let me know. I will be doing that so soon. The products that I'm most excited about, let's think about this. What products am I most excited about here? These Super Shocks, Snitchery. Does anybody know who that is? Is that like a cartoon or something? That's the vibe that I'm getting from the packaging. But those colours look beautiful. I'm really interested to see how a red blush looks on fair skin. Is that a bad idea to even try? I do not know. And then the eyeshadow palettes. Oh, we've just got so many great products here. I am thrilled. I really, really love a mystery bundle at the best of times. Like I've already said, I love a mystery bundle because it's like the surprise. But I feel like I've definitely got $49 worth of value here. I'm genuinely going to use every single one of these products, apart from maybe that Serum blush, that the longer it's sitting out on my table is getting chunkier. I don't think I'm going to use that, but everything else I love. I appreciate it's a risk, like for a lot of people it is a risk, and just think how much you could get from ColourPop for $49. Like you could get a lot of, like you could choose a lot of products, but I like just being sent whatever. I am more than happy with all of the products that I've got here, so let me know if there's anything here that you want to see reviewed specifically. I am more than happy to get those up for you as soon as possible. If you are new here, I would love it if you would subscribe down below. I post at least 3 times a week on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday, but it's always more often than that. I'm always throwing in a little Thursday upload or a little Sunday upload. There's always extra little videos, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss those. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, but until next time, thank you ever so much for watching. Bye.